Good morning, students. Children, now we are going to discuss the different organs of the UN. What are the different parts of UN? Children, there are 6 organs of UN. Like in our body, we have different organs like brain, heart, kidney, lungs. Similarly, the United Nations is having 6 organs, and they are General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, Trusteeship Council, International Court of Justice and Secretariat. The UN has 6 main organs. All were established in the year 1945 when the UN was founded. All these organs were founded in that very year, in the year 1945, and they are General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, International Court of Justice, Trusteeship Council and the Secretariat. Okay, so we are going to talk about these 6 organs of the UN. The 6 organs of UN. Okay. The first, coming to the first one, the main organ is the General Assembly. General Assembly is the main organ. Now what happened? Each member, as we discussed, there are 193 member states at present. So all these members are a member in the General Assembly, and they are sending their representative in the General Assembly. They have, each country actually, they have one vote. Like in the assembly, what they do, it is like a parliament. Different issues are discussed and debated and talked about, and if there is something that has to be decided upon, I am not saying law is not passed in the United Nations, related some dispute between 2 countries, and other member nations also discuss and try to resolve the dispute, or related to pollution, like this is a serious issue nowadays about global warming and all that. So when these decisions have to be made, if they have to vote for it, each country has the power of one vote. Of course, each country can send maximum 5 representative delegates, they are called, when their meeting is held every year in the month of September. In the month of September, the meeting is held annually once. Okay, and all the member nations, they send their delegates over there and they discuss the issue. Okay, so this is the General Assembly. It's a main organ. Each member state has one vote in the General Assembly. It meets every year in September to discuss and debate issues on peace and security. So related to peace, security, any other issues, disputes they discuss. Okay, this is your General Assembly meeting is going on. It's like a parliament of the nation. It's main decision making organ in the UN, and is composed of representatives of all member states. Each member nation can send 5 delegates, but each nation has only one vote. All member countries can use the General Assembly to voice their views, whatever they want to discuss, whatever issues related to, maybe related to the border, or maybe related to some social problem, economic problem, or any sort of problem. Whatever they want to discuss, they can discuss in the General Assembly. Coming to the next one, next organ, children, is Trusteeship Council. Now children, this Trusteeship Council was established to supervise the administration of the trust territories of the world which were not independent then. When? During, after the Second World War, this United Nations was formed in the year 1945. At that time, many countries of the world were under some foreign rule. They were not free at that time. Even India was under the British Empire. So some of the countries were under the trusteeship, means they were under the trust. They were not independent. They were under some foreign rule. And those countries, to take care of those countries, this trusteeship council was formed. But at present, children, all the countries have become independent. So this trusteeship council has no more, they have no function of their own. But yes, of course, if there arise a need, they can meet again. So remember that this trusteeship council was formed after the Second World War, because after the Second World War only the United Nations was formed, and at that time many countries were still under the foreign rule. They were not free, they were not independent. So to help them to prepare to become free, helping those countries to be independent and self-administration should be taken place. So these territories had to be taken care of, and that's why trusteeship council was formed. And now these countries have attained their freedom, and so this means organ has no function of its own, but of course if there is a need, they will meet again. Okay, so these are the two organs which we discussed. One is the General Assembly, which is the main organ of the UN, and the trusteeship council, which was formed to take care of the nations which were under some foreign rule, and with the help of this United Nations administration, they became free. So this trusteeship council is not functional nowadays. Okay, thank you.